So now that I have the PDF image as the background of my Google slide, I want to start putting in some text boxes here because this particular worksheet is looking for the students to type in answers to questions. So the first thing I want to do is make this image a little bit larger so it's easier for me to work with. If I go over here to the toolbar, I'll see this magnifying glass and it says zoom. I can click there and I'm going to bring it up to 100% right now so that it's just easier as I'm putting in my text boxes for me to navigate. I want to add a text box. On my toolbar, I see a square with the letter T in the center. That's for text box. It'll now create that plus sign for me, and I can use my mouse to draw the text box. I can move it up a little bit if I wanted. I can actually stretch it to make it a little larger. Now, in order for my students to know that there's a text box here, okay, when I click back on it, I'm going to actually type, click here to type your answer. And I could even highlight that text that I just put in there, go up here to the size option, and make those directions a smaller font size so they're not taking up so much space within the box there. So then if I want to click on, if I right click, I'm going to hit copy, and I'm going to right click again to do paste, and it duplicates that box so I can bring that down for the next question. And again, you can reshape this box. Once you click off of it, though, you're not actually going to be seeing the lines of the box. The only time you'll see that is when you're clicked onto it or when your students go to click there to type their answer in. So if I do Control V again, okay, it'll bring me here. And again, I can reshape, I can drag, and I can do it one last time for this bottom question if I want. Move that there. Okay. Now, when you're done with this file, you can actually, in your Google Classroom, you can share this slide with your students. Just make sure when you're posting it as an assignment that you're clicking to share a copy for each student, because this way they'll get their own copy to type on and modify, and you won't have several kids working on the same document at once.